Once upon a time in the bustling city of Chickwell, there was a young girl named Mia. Mia was known throughout the city for her impeccable sense of style. Every day, she would put together outfits that were not only fashionable but also unique. Her friends often asked her for fashion advice, and she loved helping them feel confident in their clothes. Mia's love for fashion started when she was very young. Her grandmother, who was a talented seamstress, taught her how to sew and design her own clothes. Mia loved spending hours in her grandmother's workshop, surrounded by colorful fabrics and shiny buttons. By the time she was 10, she was already making her own dresses and accessories. One sunny morning, Mia received an invitation to the grand opening of a new fashion boutique in Chickwell. The boutique was hosting a contest for the best dressed person, and the winner would get a chance to design an outfit for a famous fashion show. Mia was excited and decided to participate. She spent the next few days planning her outfit. She wanted something that would stand out and reflect her personality. After much thought, she decided to make a dress inspired by the colors of the sunset. She chose a beautiful orange fabric that reminded her of the sun setting over the horizon and added golden sequins to make it sparkle. On the day of the contest, Mia woke up early and carefully put on her dress. She styled her hair in loose waves and added a pair of golden earrings. As she looked at herself in the mirror, she felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. She hoped the judges would like her creation. When she arrived at the boutique, she saw many stylish people showcasing their outfits. The judges walked around, observing each contestant carefully. When it was Mia's turn, she walked confidently in front of the judges and twirled in her dress, making the sequins shimmer in the light. The judges were impressed by Mia's dress and her confidence. After much deliberation, they announced that Mia was the winner of the contest. She was overjoyed and couldn't believe her ears. Winning this contest was a dream come true for her. As part of her prize, Mia got to visit the fashion show's studio and work with professional designers. She learned many new techniques and even got to design an outfit that was showcased on the runway. Seeing her creation on the runway was the happiest moment of her life. Mia's success at the contest opened many doors for her. She started receiving invitations to various fashion events and even got a chance to design clothes for celebrities. But no matter how busy she got, she never forgot to help her friends with their fashion needs and always remained humble. Mia's story became an inspiration for many young girls in Chickwell. She showed them that with passion and hard work, dreams could come true. And so, Mia continued to shine brightly in the world of fashion, always staying true to herself and her love for style. Thanks for watching.